Welcome back. You're watching the markets, and if you see quite volatile market scenarios, and at present 24,800, yes, we are sustaining those levels, but absolute volatility on the benchmarks, both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Keep an eye on the broader markets as well. Talking about Bank Nifty, banks and financials, and Bank of India, post the numbers, the stock reacted well, but Bank Nifty 56,166. Broader markets are also too ranging in flat momentum at present, if you see. And at the same time, keep an eye on L&T, the stock we can say of the day. It has surged for more than 4% today, most in over 2 months after Q1 profit did beat estimate and still lying on those profit levels, and up moves 3643, 147 points up and 4.5% up, and Air as well. The stock, the data came in for the users in June, and the company added 7,63,000 users in June versus an addition of 2,76,000 in the month of May. So that's a news flow which is helping Bharti Airtel as well. But we have with us Sharan Lillaney, independent SEBI research analyst, to help us with his technical views on the market. Sharan, good morning. Thank you for giving your time to ET Now. First things first, your view on the indices, and then what are the stocks on your radar?
Good morning, Srishti. Good morning, Mansi. So Nifty today has made more or less an open high kind of candle. The open was 24,890. It made a high of around 24,892, and since then it's slowly fizzling out. So, but there's a lot of put writing around 24,800 level. So I think that level should be held today. Overall, Nifty is not doing too much on back of results. I think you've seen some action. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, is actually underperforming Nifty. There's not too much to look in banking stocks also. HDFC, ICICI consolidating. Kotak is quite weak. There's some movement in beating down stocks like IndusInd, Access today, even AU Bank. So overall, nothing to see, a very flat market, and I think a little bit of more consolidation till 1st of August comes in, where Trump may or may not announce his tariff. You will see the next leg of move coming in the Nifty post 1st August.
All right, that's the take on the markets. But I mean, some of the earning candidates, Sharan, it's Piramal Enterprise that is holding on to the gains of almost 3%. Well, of course, backed by the earnings and the management commentary. But what specifically are you looking in this with respect to charts?
So, Shishti, if you remember, we had given a buy call on Piramal. It had given excellent upside. Again, it consolidated post that move. And now again, it's trying to break its previous swing high levels of around 1350. If it takes that level, next levels on the chart are 1400 to 1450. Looking at the results, they were quite decent set of numbers. And looking at the volume today from lower levels, again, the stock has made an open low candle. So looking very good on the charts. If it crosses 1350, you can see levels of 1400 to 1450.
So that's the take coming in. 1400 and then 1450 are also the levels expected, anticipated on Piramal Enterprises Limited. Geo Financial Services, Sharana view, we also did discuss about this yesterday and today as well, both on fundamental as well as technical aspect. The stock looks quite attractive. If you see the last 6 months chart, the stock has moved around what, 40-50% or even more than that since then. More upside visible according to you?
Definitely, Mansi, as we discussed, again, 330 is the previous resistance, 330 to 335. If it breaks that, you can quickly see levels of 350 to 370 odd levels. And looking at the chart, there's been nice accumulation in the last 3 to 6 months. And from lower levels of 200, the stock is literally up 50% today. Again, on the charts, very strong. There's been some fundamental announcement also in the company regarding their new fund launches and also fundraising plans for the company. So do keep in check. Move about 330 to 335 can take the stock to 350 to 370 levels.
All right, that's about Geo Financials. But other than that, Sharan, any particular stock that you are tracking at this point in time?
So, Srishti, for today, I think I like 2 stocks. Oil in the international market has made good moves. So I think Oil India is looking good on the charts, and generally when the stock moves, it moves 2 to 3 trading sessions. So looking at the chart, it's on the verge of a descending trend line breakout also. So you can buy at current levels of 445. Your stop loss should be around 425. You can see targets of 465, even 485 levels. On the other hand, CDSL is looking very weak on the chart. So if you want, you can take a short position in CDSL. Do it so in August futures, because again, expiry is very near. So short CDSL August futures around 1500 level. A very small stop loss of 1525. Target should be 1475 to 1450.
Short CDSL August